Oh, but when Nigeria had night, bless so you don't reach when Nedu go invite Tinubu come podcast. No, make her explain to us.
No, Acapella, me self, and they say the Nedu self, the way they go, soon they go beat her. That Nedu. You know, say, you go first set you up. I say, so Acapella, that day, wetin happen?
And the idiot, he work not to do. Oh my boy, number one make good podcast. You know say podcast where they sweet when they invite you, where you talk finish. Anybody where you talk about, they call invite her. You know say they invite Tinubu now, he go cause Buhari.
If they invite Buhari,
invite Buhari go cause the next person. By the time they invite 5 people, we go know who spoil this country.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
Thank you. Good evening.
Who never chop?
Good evening. These comedians, everybody just say marry. Yeah, or not marry. See, marriage is not cause where God cost every man. All of us go enter down. 10 years ago, I was like you now. Hey, marriage. Today, I don't enter. I dey hear them. Acapella, you will enter. You will hear them. All of us go suffer.
Funnybone, this couple are home now. Mr. DGN Construction, night constructor.
Yes.
I appreciate DGN. Thank you for supporting M.O.P.
Which of them the DGN? Which of them?
Yeah.
You can say Mr. Men, all the table on the club. Who be the main person?
Douglas, why oh, you want more if you say don't make up? Wait. Who get that? No go cause problem between two friends.
Sorry. No, wait.
Now, small two they divide friendship. Bring another one.
Wait, not between two friends. Between married man and single man.
Under fire, you there. Funnybone, take your own. You see, if I leave this country, you go round. You see, as I collect, I give you your own.
Bro, now your type this country needs.
There's love in sharing. Now you will love. Idiot. Money never come. You don't, so now you part of our family.
I got who you say with the DGN?
DGN, yeah,
this one black. Bro, now mine you be. This one.
Why you go to this guy? This guy will get money, but see DGN.
Because I don't say this deadlock can never make it. My brother, you will go places. Well done. One of these guys on your right.
No, this one are FGN because but when Nigeria had night, bless so you don't reach when Nedu go invite Tinubu come podcast. No, make her explain to us.
No, Acapella, me self, and they say the Nedu self, the way they go, soon they go beat her. That Nedu. You know, say, you go first set you up. I say, so Acapella, that day, wetin happen?
And the idiot, he work not to do. Oh my boy, number one make good podcast. You know say podcast where they sweet when they invite you, where you talk finish. Anybody where you talk about, they call invite her. You know say they invite Tinubu now, he go cause Buhari.
If they invite Buhari,
they call invite Buhari go cause the next person. By the time they invite 5 people, we go know who spoil this country. He go round, bro.
I don't like girlfriend like Idris. With Idris do Sheila no good oh.
Who?
Idris. He say Sheila tell him. See where she come they say, I did not tell
anybody to vote for Tinubu.
See, if I cheat no be way. See, I will beat no be way. That podcast.
But by the way, let's get clear. You know, say Sheila don't take a lot of backlash. Now our friend though.
Yeah, now our guy.
One of the biggest misconceptions I say they say are tribalist. From experience, where would they come from with Sheila? From like 28 down back.
Yeah.
A lot of us being roll with Sheila. Myself, Funnybone.
No be tribalist. No be tribalist.
It's not a tribalist.
Not just part emotional person.
But as he support Tinubu, why they support Obi, nothing thunder go fire. As it's not a tribalist. Let's just get that one clear.
Now just say our camp, nobody the same
camp we did. So
it dey in own. We dey
our own. We need to clear that one first.
So no, I know the.
Funny, you know say this lucky what they say write am down oh, DGN write I go favor you. Bronze girl wey never make am na share the one wey don't make an abadi. Hello.
An abadi full years so, an abadi full years so. So I don't know. 2 days ago, a news was on Diary of a Niger Girl. When I see that news, when I see him, The girls, when I see the news.
Which one they explain now? We go put you through. No, they read.
Okay, so the news we say one small girl for Lekki. True story. She be 25. He says her friends carry her go meet one island billionaire. And the man bought her a house, Lekki Phase 1, and bought her a Mercedes. And the guy, the only way she do be say, if she go to the guy's house, she dey lick the guy wound. When I see the news, Abi? Good. And say, after a while, she got out of licking the guy's wound. Then after 2 months, she noticed 2 rashes for her thighs. Then after a while, the rashes gone spread. As I respect to you now, they don't cut the girl leg and her body. So now they post them online, they're going to advise the girl. Oh, go and see Pastor Jerry. Oh, talk to Apostle Suleiman. Oh, in the Boski.
This is where Udumeje comes in. You release Davido. They don't know what he dropped that to Kagandu.
So it's in the Boski can do it. Then somebody call him out so that other girls will know. Now say Acapella, beg make this girl call the man out to post the man picture and the man address.
Some girls, this way the advice. You say now for the good. Some girls they say let him do it. Let's know where he lives. All wound now wound.
I know yes I go club for Lekki next week. All the girls get one leg go.
Baba.
May they call the man out to
Nigeria don't cast a DJ.
You be like you know this. You know the man. Your smile.
Because the way they listen, it's just won't call the address. We don't know him, eh? The man for buy us like say you know maybe even me like say I know the man I go leak. No be house. Baba, Nigeria don't cast oh. Do you know that as of today, Indomie and cement are the same price? You can as well mix the two. Hello? If you mix Indomie and cement, you will quick belly full, Baba. That's why if you carry any girl come on now, she don't order Indomie. Now your friends they chop so. Nigeria is messed up, man.
No, me last year I advise girls, you know, those of them I be decent runs boy. Yeah, I be decent. Yeah, that is
decent
runs boy.
Oh,
that's I dey fuck. Oh, hey, I don't marry. They fuck me. Oh, hey God. So fuck they. But I will advise you, right? So the girl I advised last year call me today. Say funny bone. A man is stressing me. He's a married man. I don't know. What should I do? I say, hey, no, ask me. Fuck him. Country hard. Fuck the man. I beg you. No stress me. Fuck him. I don't want to say person because right now my friend do introduction last year. 65,000. Imo State. Umunede. 65,000. That is plus yam, plus machine, plus ego mwada. 65. As I speak to you today, the father call my friend say dollar don't increase. Say from 65 now, make we pay 320 for woman. How much be this girl? 100 naira. Acapella, see your wife.
This girl.
Acapella, the Lord has done it for you.
You don't want use person destiny.
The Lord has done it for you.
Look me. I get destiny and I never marry since. It is if to say destiny, then you go first see me.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.